In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to deposit into Hyperliquid, the most popular trading platform where you can long and short assets like crypto, oil, gold, everything. So what you're going to need to do first is you have to download MetaMask because you need this wallet to deposit money into Hyperliquid. So we're going to click Get MetaMask Wallet, hit Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension. Once you're done, it will show that your MetaMask has been downloaded. Now you will need to create a new wallet. If you already have a MetaMask, skip the video to the part where we deposit into Hyperliquid. So for everyone that's new, we're going to create new wallet and we're going to continue with Google. I'm just going to sign in with one of my accounts and it will ask you to create a password. Make sure you remember your password and don't tell anyone. We hit create. Continue and it says your wallet is ready. So now what you need to do is come down where you see all popular networks. You click this and you have to be on Arbitrum. This is very important. So make sure you're on Arbitrum. Now, once you've changed it to Arbitrum 1, this is your Ethereum. So what you want to do is you want to click on it and you want to hit receive. And we're going to copy Arbitrum. It's very important that we must use Arbitrum. So we click copy. So now we're going to come over to Binance or Coinbase, wherever you store all your crypto. And you want to make sure you have Ethereum, as you can see here. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit withdraw. Once we hit withdraw, we're going to click Ethereum. We're going to paste the address of the Arbitrum network that we copied. And we want to come and select the network Arbitrum 1. We're going to hit max and we simply hit withdraw. Click submit. Hit continue. Okay, and it's approved. And once you're back in your MetaMask, you can see you have $11. Your money has came in. Now what we want to do is we need to swap this into USDC because that's what we will be using to trade on Hyperliquid. I know this is a lot of steps, but once you guys do this once, you'll get the hang of it and it'll be much easier. We just hit max and we hit swap. Transaction confirmed. And it shows we have $11 in the USDC coin. Now we're going to come back to our Hyperliquid. Make sure you guys open Hyperliquid through the link in my description, because with that link you get a percentage off of your fees. And it's a very big difference if you're going to trade a lot. So make the most of it. So once we're in Hyperliquid, we want to hit connect and it should pop up with MetaMask over here. If MetaMask doesn't pop up for you, you need to unpin your Phantom and pin MetaMask. So MetaMask should be the only one showing up here. Hit connect, MetaMask. And it will ask you to choose the account. You hit connect, acknowledge, accept. It will ask you to sign in again. You hit confirm, stay connected, establish connection, and then simply confirm. Now it shows you to deposit. Since we already have everything set up, USDC, chain Arbitrum. We're gonna hit max, or actually we're just gonna hit $11 because we need to leave some for the gas fee. So we hit deposit, confirm, and we confirm again. Now you can see after everything that we've done, it says available to trade. We have 10 USDC if you followed all the steps.